In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. Whether you're a graphic design beginner or someone looking to add a creative twist to your visuals, this quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply the invert colors effect to any image, giving it a unique and eye-catching look. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. To get started, head over to Canva and log in to your account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click the button that says Create a Design. This is where you'll begin setting up the workspace for your project. Next, select the option labeled Custom Size. This is an important step because it allows you to manually set the dimensions of your design. For this tutorial, let's enter 300 for both the width and the height, then click Create New Design. Now, if you're wondering why we're using 300 by 300 pixels, it's simply because this size is ideal for learning purposes. It's small, manageable, and gets the job done without overwhelming you. Of course, feel free to adjust the size based on your specific needs. Now that your blank canvas is ready, let's move on to adding an image. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with several options. Click on the tab labeled Uploads here. You can either upload a new image by clicking the Upload Files button, or choose one that you've already uploaded to Canva. Once your image is ready, simply drag it onto the canvas. At this point, you can resize or reposition the image to fit the space as you like. Just click and drag the corners of the image to adjust its size or move it around until it looks just right. Take your time here. This is your chance to set up the design exactly the way you want it. Once the image is in place, click on it to bring up the image editing options. These options will appear in a toolbar at the top of your screen. From here, look for the Edit Photo button and click on it. This will open up a menu with various photo editing tools. Now, scroll down through the editing options until you find one labeled Invert or Invert Colors. In some cases, you might need to look under the Effects section, or you can use the search bar in the editing panel to type in Invert if you don't see it right away. Don't worry if it's not immediately visible. Just take a moment to explore the menu, and you'll find it. Once you've located the Invert option, click on it to apply the effect to your image. What this does is swap the colors of your image, creating a striking and unique visual effect. For example, dark areas will turn light, light areas will turn dark, and all the colors will flip to their opposites. It's a simple yet powerful way to transform the look of your design. Take a moment to review the result. If it looks great, you're all set. If not, don't worry. You can always undo the effect or try a different image. Canva makes it easy to experiment, so feel free to play around until you're happy with the outcome. And finally, once you're satisfied with your design, you can download the image to your device. Alternatively, you can continue editing by adding text, additional effects, or other creative elements to make your design even more personalized. And that's how you invert colors in Canva. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create a bold and impactful design effect that can take your projects to the next level. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.